Introducing the gravity wall furnace with PilotPro. PilotPro by Cozy is the industry's only battery-operated, on-demand pilot ignition system. With PilotPro, the furnace's pilot light is lit only when needed, eliminating the constant flame of a standing pilot light. This increases the heater's energy efficiency by as much as 2% and saves an average of $75 on gas per year. The patent-pending automatic ignition feature of PilotPro eliminates the hazard of relighting the pilot manually. In the event of an outage, PilotPro relights the pilot light on demand. That means no more emergency contractor calls or waiting in the cold for the pilot to be relit. PilotPro adds only 30 minutes to the gravity wall furnace installation process. Our detailed installation manual can be found on our website. Requiring just 2 D batteries to operate, the thumb screws provide easy battery replacements with no tools required. The PilotPro is now available with the Cozy gravity wall furnace and comes with a 10-year warranty on the chamber and burner. PilotPro is also sold separately as an add-on kit, which can be installed as a modification onto Cozy gravity wall furnaces. Visit our website at cozyheaters.com for more information. Improve safety, comfort, and efficiency. Experience industry-leading innovation with the new PilotPro by Cozy.